Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the cute easy drawing of bull and also some facts about bull. Let's go. Number 1. Bulls are domestic mammal. Number 2. The female bull is named cow. Number 3. Bull is the male version of cow. Number 4. Bulls have one stomach with 4 chambers. Number 5. Bulls are very dangerous animal. Number 6. Bullfighting is common in Spain and this fighting is considered as a sport. Number 7. But the many activists believe it is an animal abuse. Number 8. So bullfighting is illegal in many countries. Number 9. Bulls, just like cows, live in grasslands. Number 10. Bulls often have a nose rings. In this way, we prevent the bulls from rooting. Number 11. Bulls mostly eat hay, silage and grass. Number 12. Bulls weigh between 1,700 to 1,800 pounds. Number 13. Bulls live approximately 20 to 25 years. Number 14. Bull is a herbivorous animal. Number 15. There are more than 250 recognized breeds of cattle throughout the world. Thanks to watch kiddies. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of bull and facts about bulls. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel to get more drawings with some informations. Thank you. Bye-bye.